Hello, dear student. I am your English teacher Bhakti Rao from AVS Vidya Mandir, Virar. This video is for Standard 10th Semi Marathi Medium student. Dear student, today we are going to learn very famous poem from our textbook on page number 42, Unit 2, 2.1. You start dying slowly. The poem is written by Pablo Neruda. Let's enjoy the poem. Let's learn the first stanza of the poem. If you do not travel, if you do not read, if you do not listen to the sound of life, if you do not appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. When you kill your self-esteem, when you do not let others help you, you start dying slowly. Here, the poet wants to tell you, if one ignores traveling, reading, listening to the sound of life, the sound of beauty, the sound of aspects of life, knowing one's own qualities, keeping your self-respect, telling others to help you, then one can lead to slow death. The poet reminds us that if we kill our self-esteem, the feeling of being happy with one's own character and abilities, or we do not let others to help us, then also we start dying slowly. Here, dying slowly means losing hope of a happy future, self-esteem, a feelings of being happy with your own character and abilities, self-respect. Here, the poet wants to advise us to travel, to enrich our experience, to read, to get knowledge, to enjoy the beauty of life, to help and appreciate others as well as ourselves, and to give life with self-respect. See next stanza. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you do not change your routine, if you do not wear different colors, or you do not speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. If you avoid to feel passion and dare turbulence, emotions, those which makes your eyes glistens and your heart beats fast. You start dying slowly. In the poet views, if one becomes a slave of one's habits or ends up doing the same thing day after day without even bothering to change the routine, then one starts dying slowly. Also, if one becomes a slave of one's habits, does the same things every day without changing the routine, wear the same colors, avoids speaking to strangers, one can lose his or happy future. This is also true if we do not wear different colors or if we do not dare to speak to strangers. The poet warned up that if you avoid strong feelings, passions, and unsteady, turbulent emotions, which brings a sparkle to our eyes and make our heartbeats fast, then also we start dying slowly. Here, turbulence means unsteady, glisten means shine, sparkle. In the second stanza, poet advises not to be slave of bad habits, to try new ways in life, to wear colorful clothes, to follow our passions and dreams. Let's see. Third stanza. If you do not change your life, when you are not satisfied with your job or with our love, if you do not risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you do not go after a dream, if you do not allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to turn away from sensible advice. This poem was written by Pablo Neruda. In this last stanza, according to the poet, we start dying slowly if we do not change our life when we are not satisfied with our job or our love. We also start dying slowly if we do not show the courage to risk some things safe for some things uncertain. If we do not go after a dream or if we do not allow ourselves to ignore a sensible advice at least once in our lifetime, even then we start dying slowly. Here, the sensible means wise, full of common sense. In this last stanza, poet advises us accept challenges, follow our dream or heart, leave comfort zone and take risk to follow our passions and dreams. In this poem, let's see figure of speech, figures of speech, anaphora. The words if you do not. The words if you do not are repeated at the beginning of successive lines in the poem. Second, repetition. The line you start dying slowly is repeated. Metaphor. If you do not listen to the sound of life, here sounds of life refer to different experiences of life. I hope you understand the poem very well. I hope you understand the meaning of this poem very well. Thank you.